What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now I'm in Hawaii visiting family. Happy holidays, y'all. We got some dope solo stuff. We got Jimin closer than this. Jimin released closer than this. We're gonna be checking that out first. I mean, they're all in the military right now. I know, I'm sorry for reminding you. Yes. But they will come back. And they will come back stronger than ever, because Army is always gonna be there, and they're always gonna be there for us. It's a beautiful relationship. It's basically like a family. But without further ado, let's check this out, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. I got that. All right. Oh, is there captions? Oh, there is. Baby, don't worry now. I wish I could sing like him. Oh. Wait, let me see the beginning. I didn't catch the first part. So in a way, this is really a fan song. We're not parting ways forever. We just can't see each other for a short. Exactly. Excuse me. Not me being affected. We can't just see each other for a short while. That's what he said. But yeah, it's for a short while, y'all. It's still sad, but he'll be back. Let's go, songwriting team. I love the behind the scenes. Closer than this. This is cute, and it's let's go. It gave me chills already. Look at that. Look at the sun. It's so beautiful. The back of his head is beautiful. First of all. Ooh. Gazing in each other's eyes. Tears in our eyes. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh, I just got chills seeing all this. Oh, wait a second. It's them all together. Oh my god. That's a throwback. Hey, put a comment down below if you've been there from the beginning like me. Woo. Anytime you want me, I'll be right here where you call me. I'll be never let you go. Oh, all the memories. Oh my god. Yes, the performance, Jimin. Oh my god. Bro, the amount of it's crazy how much time has passed. Real talk. It's giving me chills. It's Oh my god. Just the memories. It's just like a whole ass flashback. And some behind the scenes, of course, too. Oh, I love this. This makes me miss them even more. What the hell? This is like this. Wait. Woo. Anytime you want me, I'll be right here where you call me. I'll be. Never let you go. Whenever you need me, I'll be. I'll be. Never let you go. Ooh, the claps in the background too. Oh, this is such a nice song. Ooh, I'll be. I don't know why I keep on saying I'll be. Ooh, the drawings, the sketches too. Jimin. Jimin, you're a beautiful soul inside and out. Oh, the kids. Imagine being a kid in the choir saying you're gonna be singing the backtrack of a BTS album or of a Jimin album. That's fire. Ooh. Never let you go. Oh, that. Is that it? No shot. That's it. Man, I just want more. To be very honest, I just want more. I mean, we always want more, but hey, man, let them do their thing. Let them do their thing. Should we run it back? We should run it back. Hold up, let me run it back. Still got it. Army, what's poppin'? Damn, so much Supreme. What y'all thoughts on Supreme? So random. It's time to record. Closer than this. Each day we're a little bit closer to reuniting, you know? The moment we first met. Y'all were shy and awkward, really? Cut to Jimin like doing backflips and hat tricks. We did. Dang, starting June 13th. Bruh. That's crazy to see this. I know in I'm not sponsored by Disney Plus, but they have like a whole like series, right? BTS in their journey. That's how big BTS are, bro. But it's been that many years already. It feels like yesterday when I first reacted to them. Let's go songwriting camp. Let's go recording session. Our drawing of his performance is fire. Oh, see Yoongi. All of them. Yes, sir. So many good memories, y'all. Really, real talk. I don't know if you've been there. It doesn't matter how long you've been a BTS fan. It's the fact that you are a BTS fan. You're ARMY. We just support these boys, man. They gave us happiness. We give them happiness, right? It's a mutual relationship. Top social art. Let's go, bro. I remember the exact day, like when these events happened and where I was, whether I'd be traveling or with family. Ooh, them glasses look good. I'll be. I'm sorry for my singing. I'm just vibing. I'm vibing. My bad, y'all. I'll be. Hey, ARMY, let's go. Hey. I like that little boom clap effect too. Ooh. These boys work their ass off, real talk, bro. Group wise, solo wise, and now they're gonna work their ass off in the military. But they'll be back, y'all. You know, I'm saying like it's to y'all, but I'm like telling myself that too. Is that weird? I feel like, I don't know if you do that too. Cause you don't understand how much happiness this group gives me. And just seeing them succeed more and more just makes me happier and happier each time. And that's what I call a healthy relationship. Jimin, thank you so much for this song. Alright, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Closer Than This, Jimin. What is your favorite memory of BTS? I mean, you could say all of it, of course. You could even say like a specific one. But this just gives me more memories, and I'm gonna go take a break and just go like tear up a little bit and just look at like past music videos. It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. Right now I am spending some family time, happy in holiday time with the fam in Hawaii. This is the first video I made while here, and I'm very proud of it. I'm proud that this is the first video I checked out and reacted to. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. If you want to watch the music video, if you haven't already, I don't know what you're doing, but link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe. Sound with my dub, right? Sound with my dub, right?